the happiest with this initiative.
Itemi-ini ria kugacirithia motungata mao, kambuni ya Startimes riu niyaniriire gukuria utungata wao na njira ya kuongerera muigana wa ibindi iria ni cia guku bururi-ini. Kuringana na kambuni ino, mubango uyu ni ugukuria taranda o hamwe na guthondeka mieke mieru ya mawira.
Governments and the communication commissions keep making one demand, one request for we who are in the TV industry. They keep requesting and demanding that we invest more and more in local content.
Oho, kambuni ino ni itanyite gubacirira thogora wa utungata wao na nigetha gutigirira wajiku wa bururi ni iganira.
Let's not just come to entertain people, to get money, make profit for ourselves, but let's find a way of making those profits also benefit the very territories and environments where we are doing business.
Nayo kambuni ya uheani wa motungata ma insurance ya Kenyari ni yaniriirio kuuderu wa wonjoria mathabu-ini mao ma mwaka muhituku, makiuga undu uyu umanite na wongerereku wa marihi mao kuri aria mamukagira motungata mao.
The year saw emerging and frontier markets experience immense pressure on account of the steady rise in interest rates and bond yields in developing economies.
Kenyari no itanyite kugacirithia wonjoria wao ona gikiro kia wonjoria bururi-ini gikihotomaga.
The aforementioned saw high movement of capital from frontier markets to developed markets. Consequently, price corrections due to capital outflows caused considerable drop in equities in our market.
Andu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Kinothia wa Rufia.